For 2 weeks, nature's fury unleashes its wrath, leaving devastation in its wake and impacting the entire globe. On April 17, 1815, heavy eruptions of Indonesia's Tambora volcano finally come to an end. Mount Tambora is located on Sumbawa Island in the Indonesian archipelago. After several centuries of dormancy, the volcano begins rumbling in 1812. 3 years later, on April 5, 1815, the first major eruptions begin. The peak comes 5 days later, blasting more than 13,000 feet into the sky. It is the most powerful volcanic explosion in recorded history. On April 17th, the heavy eruptions end, but smaller ones continue for the next 3 months. These deadly eruptions take the lives of 80,000 people. The ash and volcanic debris thrown into the atmosphere from Tambora cause a year without a summer in 1816, leading to crop failures and famine across the world. Coming up, we'll learn more about the 1815 Tambora eruption and find out if it is still active today. We'll also learn if the year without a summer affected the U.S. Don't forget to check out Today in History in my Teachers Pay Teachers store. There's a link in the description. During the period of the volcano's peak, so much ash is expelled that the sun is not seen in the area for several days. Flaming hot debris is thrown into the surrounding ocean, causing explosions of steam and even tsunamis. The height of the mountain is reduced from 14,000 feet to just 9,000 feet. The eruptions cause average global temperatures to drop by about 2 to 7 degrees in 1816. The impact of the so-called year without a summer on the United States is rather extreme. Weather in the U.S. is so unseasonably cold that snow and frost are recorded during the summer months of June, July, and August as far south as Virginia. Crop failures cause grain prices to soar. Nearly 70 years later, another massive volcano, Krakatoa, rocks Indonesia. However, Krakatoa's global impact on weather is not at the same level as Tambora's. The impact of the Tambora eruption serves as a reminder of the power of nature and the importance of being prepared for such catastrophic events. Mount Tambora is still active today. Its last eruption was recorded in 1967. We've now had 4 of the last 5 days on the channel with major disasters, either natural or man-made. Tomorrow, however, we'll go in a different direction. I'd love to know your thoughts about today's video. What was the most interesting thing you learned about the 1815 Tambora eruption? Let me know in the comments. And please, if you like what you've seen here, please like and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And know that you can see another great Mr. Lewis video here, and you can see one of my recent disaster videos right here. Thanks for watching.